Did you know a well-designed wardrobe can transform your bedroom into a serene, organized sanctuary? Welcome to our deep dive into the latest wardrobe design ideas that blend style, function, and innovation. Today, we're exploring modern bedroom cupboard designs and closet solutions that elevate any home. From sleek minimalism to bold statement pieces, these trends cater to every taste. Let's kick things off with a look at space-saving designs that maximize every inch of your room. First up, multifunctional wardrobes are stealing the spotlight this season. Think sliding doors with built-in mirrors or pull-out shelves that double as desks. These designs are perfect for small bedrooms where every square foot counts. Opt for neutral tones like soft grays or creamy whites to keep the space airy. Add a pop of texture with wood grain finishes or matte metallic accents. This approach not only saves space but also creates a seamless, modern aesthetic that feels timeless. Transitioning to color schemes, bold hues are making a comeback in wardrobe design. Deep navy, emerald green, or even terracotta can add personality to your bedroom. Pair these with gold or brass handles for a touch of elegance. If vibrant colors feel overwhelming, try an accent panel or inner shelving in a bold shade while keeping the exterior neutral. This balance ensures your wardrobe feels fresh yet cohesive with your existing decor. Let's talk about open shelving, a trend that's both stylish and practical. Open wardrobes encourage organization while showcasing your favorite accessories. Use woven baskets or sleek boxes to keep smaller items tidy. For a cohesive look, stick to a curated color palette for displayed items, like earthy tones or pastels. This design works beautifully in minimalist or bohemian bedrooms, offering flexibility to refresh your style with seasonal accents. For those on a budget, DIY wardrobe upgrades are a game changer. Repaint an old cupboard with chalk paint for a matte, modern finish. Swap out dated handles for sleek leather pulls or geometric knobs. You can also add peel and stick wallpaper to the interior for a custom touch. These affordable tweaks breathe new life into existing pieces, proving you don't need a big budget to achieve a high-end wardrobe look. Next, let's explore modular wardrobes, which offer unmatched versatility. These systems let you customize compartments based on your needs. Think adjustable shelves, hanging rods, or shoe racks. They're ideal for growing households or renters who need adaptable solutions. Choose a modular design in a glossy finish for a contemporary vibe or a wood tone for warmth. This flexibility ensures your wardrobe evolves with your lifestyle. Lighting is another key element in modern wardrobe design. Integrated LED strips or motion sensor lights make finding items effortless, even in compact spaces. Place lighting under shelves or along hanging rods for a luxurious feel. Warm white LEDs create a cozy ambience, while cool-toned lights enhance a sleek, futuristic aesthetic. This small addition elevates both the functionality and visual appeal of your closet.